Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I just got McDonald's, as you can see right there. Um, for today's video, I got 3 packs of the 25th anniversary of Pokemon, and I already opened up a little bit, but just so it could be easier because I'm gonna be doing this with one hand. Uh, let's get right into it. I'm gonna have to put the camera down real quick. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a holographic Tortwig, or Torchic, my bad. Let's see. A Grookey. I actually don't know what generation that is. Probably the new one, I don't know. Let's see the next one. Tepig, generation 5. I got a Mudkip. I'm probably gonna give this to my sister because she likes Mudkip. Damn, that's cute. That's all for this pack. Now let's open up the next one. Okay, next pack. Totodile, my bad. Holographic, I'm guessing. Generation 2. Froakie, Generation 6, if I'm correct. I like Froakie. Okay, you can see the next one. Chespin, Generation 6. Rowlet, Generation 7. Okay, final pack. Let's do this. Okay, I haven't looked. And next card is Bulbasaur. Holographic, I'm guessing. Bulbasaur. Trico. Fennekin. That's cool. And a Rowlet. That's all of them. It's crazy. I didn't even get a Pikachu. But I did get my sister's favorite Pokemon, Mudkip. And I did get, I guess, my favorite Pokemon, which is Fennekin, I guess. Out of all the starters, probably Fennekin. Because I like Psychic Pokemon, and Fennekin's final evolved form turns into a Psychic Pokemon. So yeah, I don't know how much these cards are worth. Let's see. Yeah, but I don't know how much are these cards worth. Let me get the holographic ones, I guess. These are the ones that I got. I don't even know if they're holographic, but these are the 3 that I got. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty cool, I guess. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.